and sa journey natin for next 9 years. Project Mahalaga. Sabi ko sa inyo, mahalaga. Natutunan ko na yan matagal na ginamit namin sa bangko. Ang ganda-gandang word, salita. Andyan yung mahal, alaga, at halaga. Project Mahalaga is so special to me because it brings us back to the basics. But honestly, if we go back to the basics, let the 6 interrogative words guide us. Ano po ba yung 6 na words na yun? Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Out of the 6 po, ang pinaka-importante dyan is always why. Bakit tayo nandito? Bakit tayo sumali sa layo? Bakit kayo umuo sa inyong mga posisyon? Bakit tayo naglilingkod? Sino ang inahalagaan natin? At ano ang halaga na ginagawa natin? Very, very basic. You have to ask the question, why? For the next 2 days, I don't want you to think about titles or pressure. Gusto ko lang maramdaman nyo na mahalaga tayong lahat. Mahalaga ang ating distrito, mahalaga ating mga clubs, mahalaga tayong lahat, at lalo na yung mga communities na sinaserve natin. Mahal, we serve because we love. Alaga, we lead because we care. Halaga, and we show up because what we do has value. I am very grateful to walk with you side by side in this journey. I am grateful for your heart, your time, and your willingness to grow with me, with one another. Again, maraming salamat po. Mahalaga tayong lahat. Mahal ko kayo, mahalagaan ko kayo dahil mahalaga ako.